Hi guys, today we are going to make this amazing and tasty vanilla sandwich cake. First, preheat the pan with low flame and then grease this square type mold. And then we are going to put the butter paper and then we are also going to grease the butter. And then take mixing bowl with a strainer, add half cup of maida plus 1 tablespoon of corn flour plus 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Then add a half teaspoon of baking powder plus 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And then sieve them all. After sieving, mix them all well. After mixing, take another mixing bowl, add 2 eggs which has a room temperature and they are large. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of powdered sugar and then beat them until it has a foamy consistency. When the sugar dissolves completely for 2 to 3 minutes. After beating for 3 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of oil plus half tablespoon of vanilla essence. Then beat it again for 10 to 15 seconds. Our egg foam is now ready. Now add our dry ingredients in 2 to 3 times. When you guys are mixing the dry ingredients, you guys should mix it gently with folding method and you should make no lumps batter. Our no lumps cake batter is ready. Now pour the batter in the greased square mold. And then tap it 2 to 3 times so that all the lumps inside are out. And then bake it for preheated oven pan for 15 to 20 minutes with low flame. After 20 minutes, open the lid and then insert a toothpick inside it. If the peak comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. Now take it out from the hot pan and wait for it to cool down completely. And then take another mixing bowl, add half cup of whipped cream and then beat it until it has a stiff peak. Our whipped cream frosting is ready for making a cake sandwich. Now take a piping bag, add all of the cream inside the piping bag for the sandwich making. After cooling, demold the cake and cut it into 2 slices. Then separate the cake with correct measurement. And now add the cream. And then put another slice of cake on top of the cream. Now transfer it to a different plate and add sugar syrup on top of it. Do it for both of the cake and then refrigerate them both for 1 hour. After 1 hour, cut the cake into sandwich shape. And for garnishing and decoration, we added cherry and cream on top. You guys can add anything you want. And now we are going to transfer them both into a different plate. It was very tasty and delicious, and it is also looking pretty. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.